Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Cloud functions with Make.com automations, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update Google Cloud functions with Make.com automations, start by logging into your Make.com account. Navigate to your dashboard to create a new scenario. Click on the Create a New Scenario button. In the Scenario Builder, search for Google Cloud Functions and select it. Choose the trigger you want to use for your automation. For instance, select Watch for new executions if you want to respond to function calls. Connect your Google Cloud account by entering the required credentials. Once connected, set up the specific parameters for the trigger. Next, add an action by clicking on the plus icon in the Scenario Builder. Search for Update function within Google Cloud Functions and select it. Map the function you want to update from your Google Cloud account. Specify the new code or environment variables you want to apply to the function. If necessary, add additional modules for data manipulation or formatting before the update action. Test the scenario to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Once satisfied with the test results, activate your scenario in Make.com. Your automation is now set to update Google Cloud Functions as specified. Monitor the scenario's execution to confirm updates are applied successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.